So hello guys, this video going to show you how to install the Android Studio in your Windows machine. So first of all, just Google the Android Studio, and then you're going to see the first link that you can download the Android Studio from the developer website. So just click the link, then you can click the top corner, okay, accept all the terms, and then click the download for the window, and then wait the download to be finished. If you have the Mac machine, you can go to the bottom of the page, then you can see the option to download the installer for the Apple machine. So after you complete the download, just double click the installer and then start the installation. Click next, and then just complete the installation by clicking the next and install. So click the finish, then we will start the Android Studio. And they have the option for you to import the setting or not import the setting. So I suggest do not import the setting. Click OK. So for this one, you can either click this or click this. It's up to you. So this is your welcome screen for the Android Studio. We'll just click next, and then I will click the custom installation. Click next, and then here we need to define our SDK location. So for me, I will suggest you to put in the D drive. You have the D drive. So let's go to the D drive to create a new folder. So AS SDK. When you create the file, remember that you cannot have the space in between. So make sure you don't have anything that has space. And I'll copy the path. Or you can click here just to be sure. DDDASSDK. Okay. So after you select this, you just click next, and then the system will detect how many RAM you should allocate for the virtual device. So by right is automatic detected, so you just click next, and then next, and accept it, accept again. So click finish. So at this stage, remember to connect all the connect to the internet so that it will download all the necessary library or the installer for the SDK, and then we wait it to be finished. Okay, look like the installation has done, so we just click the finish, and then you can start trying create your new project. So here we click the new project. After that, we select the MDV activity, and then we click next. After that, I want you to make a new folder inside the D file, D drive also, or anywhere that is comfortable for you to store the Android Studio project. So I will write it as project, and then I will just copy. Here is where I modify the project location. So for this step, we just want to make sure the project is going to store inside this location, and make sure the language is selected is the Java. Okay, then we click the finish. For it to load, if anything require the permission, you just approve it. And then at the bottom of the window, you will see the progress So whenever it's running, then you just don't do anything, let it run. So after that, you can see the process is complete. Let's try to update. So go to the Hamburger menu here, and then look for the tools, and then look for the SDK manager. Click it, and again you can see the SDK location is inside the D drive. And for the SDK platform, choose the sole packet detail, and we would like to add one more SDK just in case. The Tiramisu Android SDK platform 33, which is Tiramisu, and we click apply and then click OK, and then wait for the installation complete. So now the installation complete, just click finish and then go to the SDK tool. Here you can see the Android SDK build tool, which have the dash here, actually meaning that you have the update available. So just click it, and then we click the Google USB driver just in case, and then we click apply and then click OK, accept, next, and then wait for the installation complete. After complete, we click finish. After that, you have the Android emulator. Okay, you're good. And then you have the Android emulator Hypervisual. So this one is for the Intel. If you are using the Intel laptop, then you should install it. You also probably have the Intel emulator accelerator XASM pre-installed into your device. So for the time being, just leave it as B. If we have any problem, then we'll deal with it later on. Alright, so this is how you install your Android Studio. Thank you very much.